Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia C21 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. First, let's start with the question of why your phone is slowing down. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it, or you are not taking a good care of it. Every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic, and not every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use. So, despite the above, if you follow the instruction I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition. So, great. The first aspect and the most important aspect that can slow down your device is memory. Yes, the onboard memory. Onboard memory of device is a limited resource. So if you will fill it over 70%, your device will slow down. So I suggest you not fill your built-in memory over 70%. Try to have your filling memory in 65% to have your device always in good condition. So if you want to free up memory, you can open your settings, then find apps and notifications, see all apps, and here you can remove all unused applications. For example, if you are not playing games now, just uninstall games. Are games slowing down devices? Games no, but if applications are in your built-in memory, it means that applications slowing down your device. So if you will have games but not fill over 70% memory, so games will not slow down your device. So just try to have 30% of your memory free always. So uninstall all unused and memory hungry apps. So here under every application you can see how much space it consumes. So for example, FIFA Mobile, 200 megabytes. Okay, so in this way you can uninstall all unused applications. Okay, great. And now the next step is to upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage and remove it from your device. So I will not show you how to do it on every device, because you can in every application, because you need to choose the application for you. For example, every cloud storage gives you gigabytes for free. For example, Google Photos application gives you 15 gigabytes of cloud storage for free. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes cloud storage for free. So you need to choose the best cloud for you. If you want to pay for it, you can use any cloud storage application, because pricing are similar anywhere. But if you want to use it for free, you need to find the best result for you. Google Cloud, Mega Cloud, OneDrive, Dropbox, or else. So great. And the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought the device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed only by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background work of the apps. So to unload application from RAM, just if you are using gestures, so just swipe from down to up. if you are using navigation buttons, click on the square button to open this screen. And here you will see all applications that are running RAM right now. So just click clear all to release the space from your memory. Great. And the third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operating system leaving behind a lot of junk, unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program which will detect these files, and I advise you use any free application from Play Store without background work. So just find cleaner, just type cleaner in your Play Store and find any application without premium. So you can use application with premium, but just you need it only once a week. Of course, you can buy CDMate. CDMate is best cleaner, it's the best Android cleaner, but you need to pay $2 for lifetime license. It's greatest application without ads, but you can't use it for free. But if you want to use it for free, just find any free application to try a lot of apps to find the best app for you. I'm using for phone cleaner. It have ads, but we need it only once a week, so we can use it. So just open phone cleaner, click start. As you can see here, we have ads. Choose language, click OK, click allow. You need to do it in every cleaner application to allow to the file system. Scanning. And great, as you can see here we have cache junk 0 bytes, residual files 36 bytes. So we have clear system now. As you can see, I have only 36 bytes now, because I have tested this application before recording this video. So I have free system now, and that's it. Of course, you can use Avast antivirus cleaner, but it's good. This app has good free cleaner, but this app works in background to searching viruses in your device, and it will slow down your device too. So it's best cleaner maybe, but it will slow down your device because it will consumes your RAM. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you are using for another phone cleaner application, write us about it in the comments and suggest other users best application for clean device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.